Hello! Welcome to the Original Meals Halloween special. Cocktails, wieners, and logs.
Wieners.
And it's 80s themed. So
we got our shoulder pads and we're gonna cook up some wieners. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
That's what we do.
This is my special guest, best friend. What's your name?
Crystal.
Well, Crystal Carrington, also known as Sandy. We've known each other for 51 years. Since third grade.
And counting.
Since third grade.
Third grade. I say.
You said second grade, I said third grade. We're doing an 80s theme tonight, so I picked out gift classics from around the world. It's actually a calendar. So this is our cocktail party, our
Okay.
after-work cocktail party. Freddy Fudpucker.
Ooh, say that 3 times fast.
Go ahead.
Freddy, I can't even say it once.
All right, so apparently it was a disco drink. We weren't in the discos.
No,
we were in
we had like t-shirts that said disco sucks.
tequila,
Yes.
orange juice,
Okay.
and that stuff. 1/2 ounce Galliano liqueur.
Cute.
But we don't have that, so we're doing Sambuca instead. So
Okay,
let's start with our
How
cocktails.
bad could it be?
It could be pretty bad.
Oh,
I think
okay.
tequila and this is like licorice.
Yeah, I know.
Like so let's see how it is. 1 ounce of tequila. Is that the whole thing is an ounce?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. We're good? We're
Yeah, yeah. that was
Okay,
good.
all right.
Oh, wow.
Oh, am I supposed to pour mix it with ice? Okay, so let's do this part first. I've never made a cocktail.
And we're done. Here's
Cocktail before. All right, then we have orange juice. Okay, 6 ounces, so that's like
there we go.
that much.
I don't think that's 6 ounces.
I do.
Well, that would be like 6 of those. If our math is right.
I'm sure it's not.
Stirred, not shaken.
Then we splash
Oh, splash. Okay.
in the sambuca.
That's not a splash. That's a pour.
That's a splash?
You can wait. Wow.
Let's try this.
And thank you for coming to our show. Cheers.
What are we cheering to?
Friendship, love, peace,
Halloween.
Halloween,
The 80s.
love. Love is love.
To new.
Out with the old and in with the new.
In with a new love!
Woo! Cheers. That's not bad. I could drink this whole thing.
Then
And I think I will. No, it's pretty good. It's actually pretty good.
Is it?
You don't think so?
I'm not a big licorice fan.
I can't even taste it. I can't.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well, this isn't a bad recipe. We're not making something that'll make you gag.
Okay.
This is 80s.
You know hot dogs are like my favorite food.
That's one of the reasons I picked this. This is actually one of the reasons I picked this. All right, so we're making 2 appetizers after work, little, happy hour.
Little nosh.
You're at before your dynasty event.
Before I meet with Blake.
All right, so the first thing we're making is a log, a
Oh.
cheese log.
Okay.
That was very popular apparently
Yes,
in the
I miss
80s.
cheese dogs.
They still are, right?
Yes,
Well, it's cheese.
very,
cheese
very
log.
popular.
It calls for 2 small packages of cream cheese.
Yes.
Why not just get 1 block,
I don't know.
right? And since I don't think it's going to be good, I'm sorry, I'm altering the recipe this time. I think we should put goat cheese in.
Objection!
No?
That's not fair! What the fuck? She gets the good version of the good food recipe.
All right.
We get the bad version of the bad food recipe.
We will not alter the recipe.
Special treatment for your bad.
No!
All right, what am I doing?
What?
I don't know.
Mix it. Just freaking mix it. So we're not using the goat cheese. I'm not allowed, apparently.
Please,
No.
the goat cheese.
Just roll it into a log. Okay. 1 clove of garlic. Shape into roll about 5 inches long and about 1.5 inches in diameter. Roll in chili powder. I forgot that part.
So, do you think I should chop this up maybe?
I guess so. It doesn't say.
I can't believe it. This is chopped on there?
I don't know. Is that what you want to eat? Is big chunks?
I don't know. I do
Okay,
not.
so it's not. This should have been a bigger cutting board.
joined at the hip here.
How's this? Is this good for rolling it
Wow.
in? Wow.
Oh, look at this.
This isn't gonna work. You good? You good?
I'm good.
Okay.
Oh,
Put the garlic in there.
Okay, here we go.
I really don't like this. I don't like the licorice part. It's gross.
I
Sorry.
really like it.
Okay. Now what? Now what? Now what?
Oh, God.
Is that mixed in?
Wow, I don't know. I feel like I'm like, oh, this is really hard. This is hard. I'm gonna be plaster. Alright, what do you think?
It's fine.
Oh, no, no,
It's fine. Okay, cheers. Cheers. 2 tablespoons A1 sauce.
Here we go.
2 tablespoons?
That's a lot.
That is a lot. Ooh, it's
What?
that thick?
I guess so. Wait.
What?
Okay, now go. Okay.
Whoops. Okay. Now you need the spoon.
It's right here.
You're gonna put it on here and you're gonna make a log. 5 inches long and 1.5 inches in diameter, but it could
Nice.
be. Okay, so make that into a log.
Oh, wait. How the hell did I do that? Well, I don't know how to do that. That's not fair. I'm just, alright. Very good with my hands. Okay. I don't know now. This is not.
I think you're doing all
You
right.
think so?
Yeah.
Oh, is this what we're doing? Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I don't know.
Let's see. Wow, it's really sticky. And now it says to roll it in almonds and chili powder.
Did you mix the chili powder?
I didn't do that yet.
How much?
I don't know, don't even measure it. Just a lot. This is the worst recipe. It says grind finely and blend well.
Oh. I just mixed the chili powder.
The nuts are supposed to go
Inside that.
in there. That's okay, they're gonna be on the outside.
Just kind of roll.
Roll it, yeah, like if you put them on either side and then you roll, it'll get all over. You don't know?
I don't know.
I think we need the chili powder.
That's a lot of chili powder.
Is there?
girl?
Okay. Ugh, that's gross.
It's so sticky. Here we go. No, wait. Oh, look at you. You got it going.
All right, we'll just serve it like that.
Yeah.
So no one knows any
That
better.
looks good.
That does look good.
We have crackers.
It tastes like chili powder.
Yeah. I said not so
Although I
much.
taste a lot of A1 in there. Well, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm gonna taste it. It's really spicy.
We're just wrapping it up and putting it in the refrigerator.
To let it,
Firm up. All right, so that goes in the fridge. So we're making wiener dips.
Okay.
To go with our log. And there's no measurements in this one either. There's like no.
I'm just gonna wing it.
We're gonna wing it. Okay. So let's put that up a little bit. Mix together over low heat equal amounts of Grey Poupon mustard and red currant jelly.
got black currant.
I got black currant conserve. Conserve? Well, more than that.
I don't know. You said equal parts. I'm just starting.
Well, you do your part and then I'll do my part.
Okay, so I'm putting.
Because we're putting all of these in here.
Okay, well, all right. I put 3 of these in so far.
Oh my God, this is thick. So there's one of those. And one of those. And one of
Okay.
those.
Oh, this looks delicious.
I'll open them. I'll
Loving this.
get to these wieners here.
This is what it looks like. It actually looks good. It probably tastes like crapola, but I think it looks good.
We gotta get all those little lumps out of there.
Well, those are the currants. What are you talking about?
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they were just like gelled lumps.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right.
Are you kidding me? No. That's good, man.
Is it?
Oh my God.
No, is it?
No. It's horrible.
Cheers.
Cheers. So this is what we have. This is what we have.
Look at that. Nice and steamy. Go ahead, you can plate
Oh,
that. Anybody know the recipes?
I think we threw it out.
All right, that's plenty.
Okay, that's fine.
We'll get rid of that.
Plenty.
Plenty. And then let's unroll the cheese. The log.
Should I just like do this, maybe?
You want to do that?
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. They keep rolling.
They do.
I don't think this is very attractive. I'm gonna use every damn one of them.
I can't like see though. I know depth.
We're just gonna. All right. I have one more.
Okay. I think we're all done. I think.
No, that one right there.
No. I specifically remember doing that one.
All right, we got the dogs done. Okay, we don't need the recipe anymore. We know what we're doing now. We know what we're doing now.
We think we have our shit together so well. Gently place this on the dish. This looks like.
We're ready for
And we'd like to introduce our audience and our
Yes.
producers and our associate producers. Ladies,
Please join us. We have
Please join
of
us.
the 80s. We have Working Woman, Carrington's, Prom, Disco Queen, and Punk Rocket.
yeah.
Let's make some cocktails.
Okay, ladies.
I've never felt fear once.
All right, let's do a cheers.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Cheers to cheese.
No, we're not doing it again. But cheers.
What do you think of this?
I don't like it.
I feel like
I'm the only one who likes it. You don't like it?
No, it's fine. I just don't understand why it needs anything other than tequila.
Let's eat. Boy, I want a dog.
Okay. Would you like to cheese then?
I think the hot dogs are good. They're tangy.
They're tangy.
They taste like hot dogs.
This is the Original Meals Halloween special. Cocktails, wieners, and logs. I'm Nancy Calford. Thank you for joining us tonight. This is Sandy. This is Sarah. This is Olivia. This is Anna. Thank you for joining us. Like, subscribe, share, comment.
That one.
That's the last one. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.